I guess we started a couple years ago. We moved down to Taiwan to make the butter and cheese, and we haven't stopped since. So it was when we still lived in Taipei, and Brenda accidentally ordered 22-kilo bags of cream, and it all came at once, and I had to do something with it. And so I just turned it all into butter. And at that time, on Fridays, like different chefs and Wu Baochuan one time came over. Like all these different people would come on Fridays and sit down and try our stuff. And of course, it was horrible then, but they liked the idea of the butter. They're like, that's really good, but it just wasn't good enough. I kept going on until we can get it to where it is today. It's still not the best. We still need, there's things that we can do to make it better. So yeah, first we culture it, chill it, then we use a mixer just because we have it. And I know that that's not the best way of doing it. It kind of breaks it up a bit too much, but anyway, that's how we do it. We mix it, separate the buttermilk. This is buttermilk. Rinse the butter, shape it, package it, salt it. Right now we're limited with the amount of cream we can get, so it wouldn't be wise to invest in proper butter making equipment. So we're still doing it kind of the old-fashioned way. Because of that, it's a little too wet for bakers. So my goal this year is to make it good enough. It's just, I want to make the best product that we can make. We tried having a butter making party, and people can make the butter like this in a jar. No one showed up. We had to get Brenda's sister to come. Two people came. Made buttermilk fried chicken.